Hi, now we are going to see how the TANDI data interpretation will work out. For the processors, go to the menu of TANDI, click it, you will get the menu of pop-up will create. That is create a data entry file, data entry, data merge, data backup, data export, and as a data entry status. Now we'll go one by one. First, I'm going to create a data entry file. Click a create a data entry file. Go to add mode. If suppose I want to set a machine for Odisha, district number 4, and what is the community questionnaire? I am going to set a machine for community. What is the purpose of the questionnaire? Right. Go to data entry, community questionnaire. You will file 0102. Okay. Whenever you want to modify, whenever any previous file you want to set it, every time the process is same, you have to set a machine and do the same process. Okay. Hope you understand. The second process is the third process is data merge. The data merge is actually this is the second stage of the data processing. Once the data entry is completed, we know that we are going to adopt a district level file. We are going to adopt a district level file. We want to merge the file into single as a state file. So state file as well as a program file. Okay, as a geography file that both the Odisha and BR states. Okay, now I am going to merge a file. This merge a file is nothing but once you click the merge file, you will get this pop-up menu will come. Here you have to add the files. Whatever files you want to add. Just go to the path and you will find there is that file. You just right click sort by type. Sort by type, you will get the first two file is the dat file. Other files are supporting file. You just click two dat files that I am going to merge the two dat files. Sorry, the path is going differently. There's nothing. You have to go to the Tandy data community. If you look at the things in community, we have almost three files we have set it. Right click, sort by type. You will get one. I'm going to merge the three district community questionnaire into single file. Like that, you can, for the example I am giving, you can add it n more files. Okay, open, and you have to. There is three files I am going to add it, and you have to save. What is the save file is that if I want to save it, like I create a separate folder. Merge. Suppose this is the state file of 01C. This means Odisha community questionnaire, all the file I am saving. Once you just click the things, you just want to run it, run, concat as completed, you will find there is three files have concatenated, number of files 0. There is nothing we have entered, so that's why the concatenated is completion of successful. You can find the I just show how the file is saved. I'm going to data, Tandy, data, merge the folder we have created. You can find the dat file as merged within a fraction of a second. Okay. Now, now I am going to show the other thing. Actually, here what I made it. Each and every day you can take a backup. It's a good way to take a backup to file anything is corrupted or anything we can replace any day. That is always good. So that's what I have given an option of data backup. I will show how the data backup will happen. If you look at the Tandy folder, there is a backup folder I kept. In the backup folder, both the community as well as household data file will be there. Now I am just going to delete how things will get a backup. I'll show you. Nothing is nothing. Once you back up, the data holder automatically back up to, it will move to the everyday. There is a backup will happen once you click the backup. The data files, all the files, whatever entries as on date, it will move to the backup folder. Just I will show that how it's going to be changed. Now the folder is fully empty, nothing is there. I'll show how it's going to move it. Okay, I'm clicking the Tandy data backup. Once click the data backup, it will ask press any key to take a backup. Yeah, you just press enter or anything. The file has saved. Now you can see that community questionnaire CO, everything is state data is backup. You just press any key to continue. Okay, that data is backup. If you go to the same folder, the TANDI backup folder, you will find all the community questionnaire and what are the files. Previously there is empty. Now you can find that the merge the community file, everything is taken backup. So that it's nothing, it is every day it will took backup for all the files for a safe purpose. Okay. Now I am going to say how we are going to export the data. It's export the data is also the second level data processing, second third level data processing. How we are going to export the data. Now I am just go, I want to I will just give an example of how I am going to community questionnaire I am going to export. Once you click the community questionnaire, it will ask you what are the options, what are the options I am going to export. Um, Here you no need to do anything. You just click all the buttons, all the buttons, and nothing is there. You can section wise also you can export. Uh, there is nothing, you don't need to change anything. I have already defaultly set the things, both the items and sub items. You check whether number of files has created one file, all in one record. Export the items, both the items and sub items. And if you want to state or anything, sorry, if you want to if you want to export anything or export a format in anything, you just click SPSS or strata or anything. In strata you will find a do file. For SPSS you will get the syntax file. Just I am going to export the data. Tandy, if suppose I am going to take the merged file data. Sorry, I am giving just example 0 open and just exporting. Okay, Tandy no output file as well. Okay, because there is nothing output file, that's what it's showing, that there is nothing, no output file. If you this is the process. Hmm. We go to data and data and data welcome. You will find the syntax file, all those in little default little great. Okay, now I am going to show, I will share some other videos how to generate the tables, all those things. um, Now I am going to show that there is other option. I have menu, I have added data entry status. Okay, once you click the data entry status, you just give it, there is two types of questionnaire. We have community questionnaire. Just I am clicking the community questionnaire. You want to add the log. Actually go to file, add bulk log or add log. Now we are going to add a bulk log because we have a district level files. If a single file you want to find the status, you want to click add log. If you want to check the multi files we are entering, so we want to check what is the data entry status as on date. Okay, click bulk data, bulk go to TANDI. Once it's defaultly, once it is happened, it automatically defaultly it will go. There is no need of change every time. TANDI, go to data folder. I'm going to check the community business. Okay, you'll check there is all the files it's created. Whatever things you can see the summary of the tables, and as well as you can look at the log file, how much entry is happened, when the entry is happened, when the status, and you will get the daily report, weekly report, and monthly report, operator report, and operator payroll. If we are not going to do the operator payroll, even visualize also when the date, which date you have entered. You can take visualize and copy the chart and paste it and share to anyone also. If any supervisor is asking anything, you can look at the monthly wise, daily wise, and weekly. You'll get all the status. This is a much better. Same process for household questionnaire also. Hope you understand. I think if you any doubt, let me know. Okay, great. Just quit it. Thank you.